is Lorena Castro, and today I'm showing you guys a very quick hairstyle that is perfect to go out. So, parting in the middle, just like you see, we're gonna leave some strands down, like you know I love. Strands down. And these hairs here, we're gonna apply some hairspray in here. And a bobby pin just here, just like that. Okay, as you can see, I just made like nice soft waves, so it looks nice for this hairstyle. But the hair, if it's straight or curly, it will look amazing anyway. So the same on this side, little hairspray. Make sure it's sleek and nice. And another bobby pin just here. Okay. So this hair will go on the top. Yeah. And I like a little bit volume just here, so I'm gonna grab a section, back comb, and put a little bit hairspray. Okay, nice. Okay, so the hairstyle will be done. Just like I said, just bobby pins, and then the hair will go on the top and a little bit back comb here. And we're gonna make just this look a little bit nicer. Just waving it a little bit. As you could see, guys, what I did, I just brought this straightener down, turn a little bit, and just go down. Yeah, I told you guys, such a quick hairstyle and perfect to go out. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.